Top 3 verses na pwede mong i-declare araw-araw para maging financially free. Hindi lang sapat o sakto, kundi may overflow at peace. Game? Number 1. 2 Corinthians 8:9, that though he was rich, yet for your sake he became poor, so that you, through his poverty, might become rich or abundantly blessed. Hindi ito tungkol lang sa pera. Ito ay tungkol sa kabuuang blessings, provision, favor, supply. Si Jesus ang foundation ng financial freedom mo. Hindi ka nagsisimula sa kakulangan. Nagsisimula ka sa grace niya or unearned, undeserved, unmerited favor. Number 2, Philippians 4:19, and my God will liberally supply or fill until full your every need according to His riches in glory in Christ Jesus. Ang supply ni Lord ay fill until full, hindi half, hindi kulang. Kapag siya ang source mo, hindi ka limitado sa sweldo or negosyo mo. May mas mataas kang provider, yung mismong creator ng universe. Number 3, Deuteronomy 8:18, but you shall remember with profound respect the Lord your God, for it is He who is giving you power to make wealth. Hindi lang pera ang binibigay ni Lord, binibigyan kanya ng ability, wisdom, ideas, opportunities. May capacity ka to create wealth galing sa kanya. Kapag araw-araw mong dinideclare ang mga to, unti-unting nababago ang mindset mo. At kapag nabago ang mindset mo, nababago ang decisions mo. Kapag nabago ang decisions mo, nababago ang results sa buhay mo. Simulan mo to ngayon. I-declare mo ang 3 verses na to araw-araw. Believe in Jesus, my friend. Siya ang tunay mong source at provider. Comment mo, God supplies, I create wealth, I am blessed to be a blessing.